Hi everyone, I am myself Suhas. I joined the Rajajinagar for to upgrade my skills. So I am from Samram College. So I am the passed out batch of 2023. I joined for QSPIDERS for manual testing course and a software course. So in 2 months got over. So after 2 months they gave me the placements of drives and all. In those 2 months they trained me through manual testing and SQL Java courses. And in manual testing was my trainer was Gopi sir and Pradeep Aldu sir. They trained me very well, and the assignments what they have given and the grooming they have placed for us, it was too helpful for us, and the presentation was most helpful for us. Then in SQL and Java was the main, they groomed me very well, and by giving the assignments in SQL also was helped me a lot. So by this, it was helped me to crack my interview from the QSPIDERS what they assigned to me, and the presentation is a must to do for each and every subjects of what on the course they have taken. So QSPIDERS gave me a good career and to get a job and very good upskills also to improve my knowledge. So I hope everyone also can join the QSPIDERS of Rajajinagar. Thank you.